road trip. We're in Chicago. I'm here for the Tiege Hanley quarterly meeting. It is officially 6:54. I've been up for about an hour and a half. I was getting some work done. I walked to Starbucks now. I got to go for a run. I've got to be at the Tiege Hanley headquarters by 9 a.m. and I'm bringing you along with me. I got to go run. Bye. Let's see something funny. This sign. Good. Is the enemy great? That was the inspiration for my sunglass company. Damn you, Chicago. Seriously though, headed for a quick run. Got about an hour. And one of the things that I love doing so much when I come to Chicago, and the reason why I stay where I do, which is at the Thompson, which is kind of in that, like, they call it the Viagra Triangle. Anyway, it's right near like Gibson's and a bunch of like cool restaurants and stuff. Anyway, the reason why I love staying here is because I get to get up and go run Lake Michigan, which is absolutely gorgeous. Let's run. Good run. All right, so now I have to pack up. What do I need? I've got my wallet. Oh, look at this, right? You kidding me? Gray sunglasses, gray cardigan, gray slacks. Going with a whole like monochromatic look today. Anyway, felt cute, wanted to show you. Card key. Yep, gonna need this. Gonna need these. And what else? Gotta run downstairs, catch an Uber. It's not far to HQ from here, but with traffic in the morning, Chicago is kind of a bear. And so hopefully I'm on time because I definitely need some more coffee. Let's go. Now let's try and get an Uber. I got 8 minutes to kill, quick little bone to pick. The Thompson Hotel, I've been coming here literally for like 7 years, ever since we started Tiege Hanley. I love this hotel, or I should say I used to love it. They've gotten super cheap though. Like no coffee in the morning. Like who doesn't offer coffee? What's happening?
Good to see you.
Looking good.
Thanks, man. You're looking good.
Tom, who are you?
I'm the director of marketing at Tiege Hanley.
How's your job been?
Last quarter or overall? Everything's good. Everything's great. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah. Amazon is on fire for us right now. So, you know, if you had a choice, buy us on .com, but the Amazon business is absolutely crushing it.
Good.
Yeah.
You been enjoying it?
Been loving it.
How's retinol stick been?
Unbelievable. Like the best launch we've ever had. We sold out in like 5 days.
Yeah.
But we have more coming on the 11th, so
all right.
That's great.
Hey! Hey! Who's that? What's happening?
Everything's good. Now that you're here.
All right. What's up?
Light on.
All right. So we just wrapped our meeting? Wrapped. So why don't I set up the camera and why don't we talk a little bit about Tiege from my Alpha Empire channel? Let's do it.
Sounds great.
Yes, sir. Alpha Empire channel?
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's do it. Let's talk business.
All right. Come here. Let's go. We lost Rob, but Kelly's here. So before I go upstairs and show everybody around, because I don't know that any of the Alpha Empire people, unless they're old Tiege Hanley vlog
old like me.
Old like you, old vlog watchers, they've never been to Tiege Hanley. So Chicago is where Kelly is from, and that is why Tiege Hanley is based here. Kelly is the CEO and founder of the company. Do we want to tell them where the name came from?
Sure. Yeah.
That's one of the biggest things, right? When I first heard the name, I'm like, that sucks. But then it kind of grew on me a little bit. So go on. Where did the name come from, Kelly?
The name is very good. It's treated us well, hasn't it? It's
it could have been called.
Look,
yeah, go ahead.
My father came downstairs one day with some towel, like we were going to go to the swimming pool, and he unfolded the towel, and there was the family Bible in there. And I didn't know we had a family Bible. Before 23andMe, people actually wrote their like family trees in the back pages of the Bible. And Tiege Hanley is from the 1400s, from Ireland.
But that's it's a relative.
Great uncle, the Hanleys.
Okay. So there's the name. It's a relative of Kelly.
And then later that night I was drinking and I found the URL and
you found Tiege Hanley or Tiege.com?
Tiege.com.
Was Tiege.com available then?
I bought it from somebody.
How much?
I don't want to say.
Why?
$1,000.
$1,000. Not bad.
5-letter URL.
That's huge.
It's just a weird spelling.
You want to buy Enemy?
Enemy.
I'm selling Enemy for the record. I'm doing the research now to try and sell it. I don't need that damn website. I spent too much.
I'll give you $1,000 for it.
1,000? Yeah. I spent 45. Anyway, so here's the deal. Tell everybody kind of like the highs of Tiege Hanley this year. What are we doing? Well, first off, the retinol stick was
stick is a high.
And that was a huge thing for us.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It's a great win because years of innovation, perfect product for Tiege Hanley, great face care product, awesome with anti-aging, awesome with like blemishes. If you have kind of an acne, any acne issues, it's really good for acne.
Pore size.
Pore size cleans it's really
it helps even skin tone. Like retinol is like the hottest product for women. That is probably the #1 anti-aging product for women over the counter. And men, it really wasn't a thing yet. It wasn't really popular.
Yeah, so retinol is like the Superman of like ingredients. So it's an awesome ingredient, and we put it in a stick form, which is really unique.
Like a deodorant. It looks
kind of like a deodorant form. I mean, and it's great to apply. So like most retinols are in a cream. Ours is very matting, so it's a very flat, doesn't give a shine. It really goes on very smoothly, and it gives it like a perfect dose. So with the stick format, it like puts the perfect layer on your skin, and it works really well to hydrate your skin. So
your suit looks nice too. Is that Tiege green?
This is Tiege green. This is for all you Emerald Tiege members out there. This is Tiege green.
All right, so highlight Tiege Hanley. How's the company doing?
Awesome. Never been better. Because we got great people here at the company. People first.
We've really started to dial that in.
It just took me a lot of mistakes to get it right. As soon as I got Tom and added a few other people, things started clicking. So
Tom was a game changer.
Tom is a game changer. He's a great guy. He just told us that he really loves Tiege Hanley. And he also told us right off camera that he started a business and founded a business, started a business, and sold a business. So I think he's got both of us.
He does.
Beat on that one.
What's the 3-year plan?
3-year plan? 3-year plan? I don't know if we have a 3-year plan. Our 3-year plan is continue growing this business, right? The bottom line is
make it profitable.
The idea of starting a business and thinking it's going to be great and you're going to have huge sales and then you're just going to sell the business. That's like fairy tale land.
That's what we thought when we started it.
What's reality is this: you work really hard, you hire great people, you do the hard yards every fucking day, and hopefully you create a company that has value and has longevity and can get to a certain point, and hopefully maybe some other people have some level of expertise and can come in at a certain point and can bring their expertise to the business and take it to the next level.
Love that.
So that's kind of what that is. There's, I don't know, 3-year plan, but that's...
and what makes Tiege Hanley and our business and what we have done over the years unique and special?
Well, capital efficiency. You have to, if you're running a company today, it doesn't matter. You can make paper clips, sell stuff on Amazon and arbitrage, or develop a product or develop a service. You have to be very capital efficient today. You have to know how to put $1 in and get $1 back, and it all comes down to sales. And that's why the best decision I ever made was partnering with Aaron, because Aaron at that time and that place in both
right
of our
time,
careers,
right place. It was perfect. It was magic. Now it's gotten harder though, and but the one thing that I will say is one of my contributions was encouraging us as a company to not take extra money.
Yeah, that wasn't your biggest contribution. Your biggest contribution is the contribution you make every day on all those phone calls that we have. Every single day we're talking. We're on the phone with each other almost every day, every other day. We're definitely texting each other all day long. Aaron's the voice of reason in the business. He really is helps me kind of think about the business in ways that I don't think about it. And he's also kind of a counterbalance to some of the things that I'm doing. Sometimes I say, Aaron, I've got this idea, we're working on this, or I've got this problem, or this is a challenge in the business, and Aaron will think about things in a fresh way, in a way that I don't think about the business. He'll say, have you thought about doing this? Or that's a terrible idea. Or actually, he now is at the point, because he's very mature, he wasn't like this 7 years ago. He says, you know, I didn't think about that. That's a really good idea. I'm gonna think about it overnight. I'm gonna think about it the next day. I'll call you back. And sure enough, he's calling me back a couple days later and saying, that's a terrible idea. But sometimes,
I used to say it right away, but then I'm like, let me think about that.
Let me let Kelly have a few minutes with it before I tell him how bad it is.
But seriously, being capital efficient and not raising a bunch of money and just getting wasteful with our spending. You see a lot of these other DTC companies.
It's so hard because people run out of ideas. Look, we have challenges in our business today. We're just better at solving those challenges. Like we're at a point where like we have a lot of confidence in our ability, a lot of confidence to navigate difficult, difficult waters, and we're not having as much difficult waters as we used to. We're in difficult times all the time. I mean, look what's going on around you guys. Look at what's going on with the housing market, with jobs, inflation. We're in difficult times and we're still navigating through it. So problem solving and finding ways to figure out how to get through problems is a huge part of being successful.
100%. I'm gonna take everybody upstairs now. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Hey, great job.
Tiege Hanley.
Thank you,
Aaron. Thanks for everything, every day, every night.
Should we have Rob? Nah, whatever, Rob.
It's your call. Rob's a great
Whatever. All right, so, are you cool being on camera? All right, so, I'm gonna go around. This is Tiege. The main office across the street across the hall is basically the big warehouse, but they'll go around, say who you are and what you do for Tiege.
Hey, you guys probably seen me before. I'm Tom Bambera, and I am the Senior Manager of Customer Success and Customer Experience. What up?
All right.
Hello, Patrick, Senior Project Marketing Manager. I deal a lot with Amazon and some of our partnerships and website activities.
You also have really cool tattoos.
Oh, thank you.
Much cooler than mine.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin Kleinig, Director of E-Commerce and CRM.
Very good, very good. Who's next? Tom, you met him. Oh.
Hi, my name is Tree. I'm a data guy. That's it, just a big data guy.
Big data guy. Big data guy.
So this is where all the heavy duty thinking is done. It's our Tiege Hanley Wash conference room. And all the magic. This room's busy pretty much 24/7. Behind you, Aaron, is our lobby, our little reception area. All right, let's go. This is all marketing. So we have data, e-commerce, success marketing. Back there we have our design department. A little more. Tom's desk over there when he comes in is head of marketing.
All right.
And then we have our paid social. A little bit more of our Sharon's on our.
It's super quiet in here. Is it always this quiet
today?
Is it always this quiet?
Over there is our influencer team.
Okay. And nobody's there today.
They're all here, but they're hiding. They're hiding from you.
No.
They're probably over in our other conference room.
Let's go see it.
Our AM conference room. Let's go over there. One of our huddles. Looks like a little lunch is going on in there. We are about ready to go into our finance, our operations, and our customer experience.
And I don't know who doesn't want to be on camera? You don't want to be on camera. Okay. So pretty much nobody in here wants to be on camera.
That's all right. This is our this area here. We have several different desks. This is our customer experience. So the guys are calling in all the time, talking to these gentlemen. Our AM conference room. Our scrub little.
You guys good to be on camera?
I'm gonna go back.
Okay, real quick.
That's a no.
Okay, that's a no? That's a no? Okay, who are you and what you do for Tiege?
My name is Fadi and I oversee product development.
Okay, how is the retinol stick?
It's absolutely amazing. One of the most innovative products to come in men's skincare for a long, long time.
Right, not everybody is as camera friendly as I am. All right, Kelly's talking, so I'm taking you to mango. Mango. Is that mango? It's mango, right?
Hi.
Can I
see you.
be on camera? Say hi.
Yeah.
Hey, mango. Who's this? Mango. Grace, how are you? Be on camera?
Sure.
Say who you are and what you do for Tiege.
I'm Zach and I work for the influencer marketing team.
What do you do?
I am Grace. I work on our paid media team.
And that is Mango,
Yes.
the cutest member of Tiege Hanley. Very good. All right, the tour continues. Mango, she's scared of the camera. What's happening?
Cooking.
Nothing. How are you? I heard you're going back to school.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. Congrats, brother. All right, and this. What's up, man? How are you? Sorry, do you want to be on camera or not be on camera? No? Got it. Good to see you. I almost didn't recognize you with the stash. All mature and stuff. It's the mustache. Anyway, so this is the warehouse, basically where all of the products, all of your handsome skincare actually happen and is stored. And then, look at that, right? Boxes. Ooh, those boxes look good. And then, yo, what's up? How are you?
Good, how you been?
Good to see you, man. What's happening? Over here, you've got these little stations where you have everything, and then right there, boom, pop it, box it. Pre-packaging the kits has been a game changer, and that's something that has allowed us to really speed up the fulfillment process, but it takes a team basically working, 5 days a week, all day, making and packaging these boxes. That's because of the volume that we're actually doing at Tiege Hanley. Anyway, I think I'm gonna, hey, Bree, what's happening? You're just in time for lunch. Do you want to say who you are and what you do for Tiege?
Yes, hi, I am Bree. I'm currently picking up lunch for everyone. I'm the executive assistant and also organic social manager as well.
You've been doing a great job. That social stuff you've been doing has been amazing.
Awesome, cheers.
Cheers, gentlemen. On that note, I'm gonna go in here, eat some lunch. Thanks for hanging out. If you dug this video, why don't you drop me and Tiege Hanley one of those.